Why do 100% of humans experience stomach growls when hungry? Let's find out. So your stomach's growling. I see. It's called borborygmi. When you're hungry, your brain sends a signal to your stomach and intestines to start contracting. These muscle contractions mix food, gas, and digestive juices, creating that familiar rumbling noise. Cool fact, even when you're not hungry, your digestive system still works, but you don't notice it. Those growls can be louder when your stomach's empty because there's less food to muffle the sound. So next time your stomach growls, you'll know it's just your body's way of saying, "Feed me." Stay curious, stay healthy.